In most circumstances, a DUI in California is just a misdemeanor. But there's 3 situations where DUI can be filed as a felony. The first is if it's a 4th time or more DUI. So if you have 3 or more prior convictions for DUI or wet reckless within the last 10 years, and you pick up another DUI, then your new DUI, your 4th time, can be filed as a felony. The second situation where a DUI can be filed as a felony is if you're under the influence and you cause an accident and a third party is injured. In that situation, the prosecutor can file it as a felony. And finally, the third way is if you've had a prior felony DUI for any reason and you've been convicted, then any more DUIs that you get can be filed as a felony. Now, the significance of a felony DUI is, number one, instead of informal probation to the judge, you'll have to have a probation officer that you report to on a regular basis. And there's a lot of onerous conditions of felony probation, one of which is that you have to pay the probation department. And in Los Angeles County, for example, that's about $4,000 that you have to pay just to be supervised on probation. Also, if you get a felony DUI conviction, the judge can sentence you to years in state prison. Now, normally as a misdemeanor DUI, the maximum sentence is either 6 months in jail or a year, and a lot of times people don't do any time at all. But a felony DUI, it's not uncommon for people to go away to jail for 16 months or 2 years or 3 years. And finally, if you're convicted, you'll be a convicted felon. And it can be very difficult to find employment as a convicted felon. It also affects your gun rights, your voting rights. So certainly if you're charged with felony DUI, you want to do everything that you can to fight the case and beat the case and keep it off your record. And the good news is that even if you are charged with felony DUI, a lot of times it's possible to work out a plea agreement where you plead to a misdemeanor instead, where it gets reduced to a misdemeanor. But here at Schaus Law Group, over the years, we've had a great deal of success in defending people in this situation, at getting felony DUI charges reduced and sometimes even dismissed. And if you're in that situation, we encourage you to contact us, tell us your story. We'll see what we can do for you.